is not the answer.
Shirley, okay, somebody
War
asked
is
me
not
for
the
help.
answer.
I'm gonna try and help
War
them, okay?
is not the answer.
I know war.
Okay?
We're not talking about war. We're talking about math.
Because
War and math don't equal each other.
you're
okay?
causing me to get.
No. You asked
You
me
know what?
for help.
I
I
know,
tried to help
help.
you.
I didn't say
and you
answer.
said yourself
Leslie,
you didn't even
it
want
helps-
to listen.
it
She
helps
said
the
she didn't even
answer.
want to listen.
Yes. No, when I say ask you for help, does that mean I want you to give me the answer?
Okay, whatever.
I'm
I
asking
did
you
that
to
at
guide
first,
me
maybe.
along. Okay.
Okay, I did it at
Guiding
first.
me
I'll
along.
admit it.
Thank
But whatever.
You. Thank you.
Then
Fine,
I
fine,
actually
thank
tried
you.
to help you, and you're like, I don't know. I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. Blah 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 blah.
No, you tell me
You
the
have to
answer.
listen. The answer is how I'm helping you.
But I don't
You
know the
said
answer.
fourth root of 81. What is it? What is it? You got my calculator because you're gonna look at it, and I
No,
told
I said,
you
is that how you
three.
do the fourth root of 81? Because I was asking you, is that
Yes,
right?
and then
is
I
that
said
right?
then
And you
put-
said yes because you have to
and then I
distribute.
said-
And I said thank
and then
you.
I was like, where's the X
okay,
going?
thank
You're
you.
like,
Okay, because you have to distribute. Exactly. That's what I was asking you. Where was
And
the
then
X go?
I know, and I told you to put it, and when I told you to put
I
it,
asked you where
when I was
X
telling
go,
you to
and
put it,
told
you
me
didn't
yes,
want to
okay?
listen. You
Because I don't
didn't
want
want
to
to
take